Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by organizing files so Stata can find them. This avoids path errors. First, move your DTA, CSV, or Excel files into a single folder and use short, simple names. Next, open Stata and set the working directory with cdc, /path / folder so commands run in the right place. Once done, list files with dir or use the file menu to confirm. This first step prevents misreads and saves time when you import. You now import the actual data. Choose the command that matches your file. For CSV, run import delimited file. CSV clear string calls, also text stays text. For Excel, import Excel file. XLSX sheet 1, first row clear to use the header row as variable names. After import, run describe to inspect variable types and list in 1/10 to preview rows. This helps you catch type mismatches early. Then, make conversions as needed before analysis. You finish by cleaning variable types and saving the dataset. Use destring varlist, replace force to turn numeric strings into numbers, or encode for categorical text variables, then verify with summarize. Once satisfied, save clean data. DTA, replace so you have a reproducible copy. If something goes wrong, check file encoding and delimiters first and make sure the header row is consistent. Those issues cause the most import errors. If needed, reopen the original file and fix or re-export.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.